Picture yourself in the 2023 Genesis GV80. This elegant, tech-savvy GV80 delivers a fresh take on midsize luxury. From its standard suite of driver assist and infotainment features to its calming cabin, no-nonsense acceleration, and uncluttered style, this SUV was designed with your generation in mind. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, V6 cylinder engine, lane keeping assist, keyless start, backup camera, alarm, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT. Feel confident about what lies ahead in this inspired GV80. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.